Hello guys, so today I'm going to bring you a video about my computer build. I built this computer in March this year, so it's currently mid-August at the minute, so I've been running this for a fair few months now. What I have in it is GTX 960 by EVGA. The Cool Master CPU fan, the Evo 212. I've got 8GB from Corsair for RAM / memory, 2x4GB sticks. I can't really remember what speed they were at. I'm currently running two SSDs, a Samsung Evo 850 I believe it is, which is 250GB, and the SanDisk SSD, which is 120GB. They are not in RAID 0, these two, as I want to keep them separate. I've changed all the stock fans out in the case to the I can't remember which ones these were again. Yeah, I'm rocking the NZXT S340 case, all in black. I was going to go for the black and red edition, but unfortunately they weren't in stock when I ordered the computer, so I had to go for the full black edition. One more thing to point out is that I do also have a Wi-Fi card built into it as well. That is, you can probably see, you go for graphics cards there. This is just purely because I don't have a Ethernet cable in this room, so unfortunately I do have to run everything off Wi-Fi, which is like for my computer and my Xbox and stuff like that, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do now is going to move the computer over to the table, and I'm going to basically open the computer up so you can see better inside. One thing I've also forgot to mention is that the CPU that I'm running this is the AMD FX 6300 I believe, and the motherboard, as you can see there, is the MSI 990 FXA Gaming Edition. So yeah. As you might be able to tell, I did attempt to go for the black and red theme in this computer, but in actual fact there isn't actually that many red parts in this computer apart from the memory sticks. So the full build is near enough all black apart from the label on the SanDisk SSD. In the the only thing that makes it pop out for redness is the LEDs for the fans that I've got in. With the CPU fan, it did come with, as you can probably tell, it did come with a bog standard, just the standalone fan, one standalone fan on it. But as you can see, I changed that out with two 120mm fans on there, so that they're equal to all the other fans in the case. With this motherboard, there's only two 4-pin headers for fans, for case fans, and one 4-pin for the CPU fan. So what I've done to be able to run all the case fans together is I've done a two-way splitter for one for the rear fan and the one on the top, as you will see there. And then the override on it is have a two-way split for the two CPU fans. And as you can probably guess, I'd have our two-way fan splitter there for the two front intake fans. The two front fans here are 140mm fans. The top exhaust fan is 140mm, sorry. As I said, there are two CPU fans at 120mm, and the rear exhaust fan is 120 also. So yeah, how I've routed this splitter is the splitter right here is plugged into the port, and then I've routed it to go around the case fan here and out of the port up there. As you can see, there's many cables up there for use of the 8-pin CPU connector for power, and also the cables for the CPU fan and the top exhaust fan also. So I'll show you around the back of the case just now so you can see what my cable management is like in a minute. One thing to notice, if I wanted to upgrade the graphics, I could also include I could also buy another GTX 960 and run it in is it SLI? And but the only problem is I can have it in the top part there, but that will make the current graphics card not have any oxygen any air to breathe. Or I can put in this part here, but problem with that is it might be too close to the SSDs on the bottom and might not be able to fit in, or if it does fit in, the bottom graphics cards will probably be suffocated as well due to the SSDs being here. So it's a bit of muddle on if I want to upgrade graphics in the future, if I do go with SLI. Also, I could also put in another 8 gig of memory, like 2 4 gig sticks, if I wanted to. And yeah, that's about it that I can see. So as you can see, this is the back end of my computer where all cable stuff is. And one thing I did actually forget to mention is what my power supply was. It is a 530 watt Be Quiet power supply. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'll be able to run if I did upgrade to 2960s in SLI or Crossfire, whatever it is, I can't remember which one it is. I'm not sure if it'll run properly on it with the power requirement, so that's one thing I would have to one thing I would have to look into. To me, this is pretty good cable management. Could be improved, could be messier, but to me it's good enough because you don't see the back of it anywhere until you open it up. These are pretty much all the fan cables that I need in, as well as the 8-pin CPU header, CPU power that I need, which is runs all the way down here. And then in here, so here's my computer loading up as I've had, so yeah. It did cut me off on the last video for some reason, I don't know why. Oh, good share that. So I've closed my curtains just to show you, give it like a little understanding of what the computer's like when it's dark. The camera probably doesn't give it justice, but I'll show you anyhow. So yeah. I'm pretty happy with the computer overall, to be honest with you. I will attach a few game benchmarks at the end of this video to like give you an understanding of where the computer sits compared to others. I know it's not the best computer out there, but it's the best I could afford, to be honest with you, like for the budget that I had for it. Like the minute it is running Windows 10 is the operating system, and it will be is mainly for running games on, and like now and again doing basic video editing and streaming. I don't do too much streaming, like, but it's there if I need it. I'm currently running, as I showed you in the beginning of the video, I'm currently running dual. I now know why it keeps coming off, it's because I've run out of storage on the camera, so yeah. To continue from what I was saying from the last video, is I'm currently running dual screen support. The top one is a 32-inch, it's called Alba TV. It's pretty old, I've had it for about 6-7 years now, and I do want to get a new one, but not yet. But it's serving the purpose still for what I need it for. But it's all I'm using a telly for at the minute is for watching like long videos, such like films and TV programs and such. And also the 360 that I use now. I don't use the 360 that often anymore, so I'll connect it to the telly. And on the bottom, like there, is 23-inch, I believe, a 23-inch HP monitor. That's mainly for like what I do everything on, show me Xbox One gaming, computer gaming, internet browsing, work, everything like that. For the telly, that is running from a HDMI cable, and the monitor is being run from a DVI cable. So yeah, for my headset I'm using the Astro A50s for both my Xbox One and PC, but as you can see I've got two pairs of them. So yeah, my computer version is currently charging, and it is optical cable like the one from I believe it's virtual 7.1 surround sound in headset. So yeah, I'm going to end the video there, and I'm going to insert a few benchmarks now, and make just because I'm not going to be commentating over the images. I just want to end the video now from the commentary. Just thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a thumbs up below the video down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe can't talk today. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, catch you next time.